Hi everyone, my name is Jiao Chen Ye. I'm from the youngQi clinic. Today we're going to discuss two vertigo cases with everyone. In the first case, the patient is a Caucasian female, about 20 years old. She was a medical assistant working in a clinic, and she had a severe vertigo symptom after the Western doctor diagnosed her as a Meniere disease, but did not get very good treatment result. So the doctor asked her to stay at home, and hopefully after the rest she can feel better. But she's lying on the bed for 3 weeks, still can feel the severe vertigo kind of feeling, and she could not even get up and walk to the restroom without other people's help. When I first time saw this patient, I noticed that she had the very thick and white coating on her tongue, and her pulse is very deep and weak. Besides that, she also have the heaviness feeling on her forelimbs, and also she has a difficulty with her urination. So in the Chinese medicine diagnosis, we consider that actually has some kind of fluid retention in her kidney system. So I prescribed a 5-pack of herb tea for 1 week treatment for her. After a week, we contacted the patient. The patient told us that after she finished the 3rd pack of the herb tea, the vertigo feeling is gone, and she can get up doing the housework, including preparing the dinner for her family. And she wants to keep those 2 packs for future, but we asked her that to finish those 2 packs to secure the treatment result. In the second case, the patient is a Chinese female, about 50 years old. She had the same chief complaint as the first case. She had a severe vertigo feeling for more than 1 week, and she needs somebody help for even just simply walk. But besides that, she has other symptoms, like she had the acid reflux, she had bloating feeling, and she feel the tightness and pain on her right flanks and right shoulder. So the doctor considered that actually there are some kind of cold dampness in her middle torso, and maybe has a problem with the gallbladder stone. So he prescribed her 5 packs of herb tea for 1 week treatment. The same, after 1 week, we contacted the patient. The patient told us that she no longer has the feeling of the vertigo, but still has a little bit tightness and a painful feeling on her right shoulder. So the doctor prescribed her another 5 pack for continued treatment. And we know that in the vertigo in the Western medicine we call the Meniere disease. It's been linked to the so-called endolymphatic hydrops, which means an excess fluid in the inner ear, which causing the patient to lose the sense of balance. And in these 2 cases, both cases have been diagnosed with the Chinese medicine way, and we found out that's because by the fluid retention. By the first case, the problem is happening in the kidney system, and in the second case, it's in the spleen and stomach system. So we gave the patient different kind of herb tea prescription, and both cases we see very good results from the treatment. So we know that in the Chinese medicine, we did not just prescribe the herb tea based on the Western medicine disease name, but we have to consider the individual condition for each patient to doing the prescription. And we can see very good results for these 2 cases to recover from the severe vertigo condition within even just 1 week. Okay, and I think that's for today. Thanks for watching.